Okay guys, if you've got 5 minutes to spare, you are going to love these easy Dollar Tree DIYs. And the best part is, I wanted to choose items that you can find at the dollar store almost any time of year. They're always there, they're the easiest products to find, and you can put together some gorgeous things. And a bonus, I think these would be perfect to transition into your fall decor, so I hope you guys enjoy. First, we are making this gorgeous shiplap wall display with a wreath. And here's how to make a board that looks exactly like shiplap. Get a piece of foam core board. Perfect. And the way you make it look high-end and actually like wood is by going over it with a coat of chalk paint. It gives it the texture of wood, which is going to be really important later. If the board bows at all, you can always stick it with something on top of it for a few hours to help flatten it out. If you end up using the whole board like I did, I measured 4 inches apart using a ruler and then drew lines to create the wood. And I did this with a silver Sharpie. And then I took a Dollar Tree foam brush and some gray paint, and I very lightly went over it to give it the rustic texture of wood. I think the real keys on this one were using a gray Sharpie and the gray paint. And one key to making this look really realistic is to put a little bit extra at the top and the bottom of the board where the wood would have been cut. The wreath was so easy to put together. They have these beautiful wood style wreaths. Every store I've been into has been fully stocked of these. And some florals that are almost always in store are the ferns, some of my favorite. They also have gorgeous fall flowers out, and those are almost always in stock. And one of my new favorites are these florals with almost a little bit of moss on them. They look super realistic and add a lot of texture to a wreath. I broke it down, and there are 3 types of ferns on each plant, and I used 4 bunches. I started with the largest pieces, gluing it onto the wreath, then the medium size, and then the small plastic ones. To add some texture, I added kind of the mossy little plants in, and again, I broke them down and just used hot glue to attach them. But you could make this look even more fall by choosing different colors or even flowers themselves. Back to school time, so I found a pack of 4 command style strips, added this right on the board so it was super easy to attach the wreath. And if you wanted to add anything to the board, you could even use the stick-on decals. They have tons of those in store right now. This entire display was done for under $10, and one of my favorite farmhouse pieces I've made in a while. Up next, a gorgeous tiered tray and some of my favorite finds for fall this year from the Dollar Tree. This is such a throwback DIY. Like, tiered trays are the quintessential Dollar Tree DIY because it involves those glass candlesticks. The oven covers, they come 2 for $1, a large and a small, are the perfect tray. It looks really elegant, has a really beautiful lip on it, and literally you get 2 for $1. And I combine that with 2 candlesticks. I just used a matte chalk spray paint on all of the pieces and quickly glued them together. I know it's super early, but if you're looking to add just a couple touches of fall, I love the neutral pumpkins this year, and they have lots of wooden signs. My favorite is this cream-colored pumpkin with the grateful quote on it. This is such an easy way to decorate on a dime. I also think this would make a great coffee display or a little tea holder if you wanted to keep it in the kitchen. Also, keep your eye out this year for the thankful signs. They have such a beautiful plaid on the side. And they have old Williamsburg candles that smell so beautiful. I think it's such a great transition scent at the end of summer. We are just loving it at our house. I hope this video inspired you with things you can always find at the Dollar Tree, so you can get in there and do these DIYs today. I love you guys so much. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a big thumbs up. That really helps me out a lot. Subscribe so I can catch you in the next one. I'll see you guys there. Bye. Show them your wiggly tooth, Carson. He has a wiggly tooth. Let me see if I can show it.
And it even hurts.
Oh, it does? Oh, goodness.
And I just crunched one of those on it.
Oh, man, it's close.
And a piece of pizza.
You are thankful for that $1 the tooth fairy will bring you. Where are you going to spend it?
Everywhere.
Hey guys, it's a gloomy day, but wait, and this is dirty. Hold on, hold your horses. There you are, clean. Okay. Hey guys, it's a gloomy, rainy day. The perfect day to go shopping in Dollar Tree.